We will start with fundamental of economics, and micro versus macro, the important part or the type of economies. Okay? So again, two marker question, 2 marks question we can expect based on this. One is around micro versus macro economy. Another one is subject around the micro and macro, and the another one is आपका प्लान आपका कमांड इकोनॉमी, मिक्स इकोनॉमी एंड कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, सो अराउंड दीज पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अराउंड द इकोनॉमिक्स थिंग्स. व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक्स? समटाइम दे आल्सो आस्क दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन फॉर हाफ मार्क्स. ठीक है, so economics which generally deal with the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services, focusing on efficient resources of allocation to meet societal needs. As part of the globalization increase, the study of economics become more crucial. So economy, which is which is taken from the Greek word economia, which is means आपका home and आपका management, household management. Basically, it is generally known as yes. So it is generally known as household management. Okay. Economics is defined as the science of human behaviors in relation to scarce resources and their alternative uses. ठीक है, how we are using our scarce resources in a max, ठीक है, और बेस्ट वे आपका. ठीक है, तो कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारे लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज हैं उनका किस तरीके से हम लोग मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन आपका कर पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, द कोर ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक लाइज recognizing scarcity and finding ways to optimize resource utilization. We have definition, or the if you talk around the modern economics, we generally start with the Adam Smith, wealth of nation. So कई बार ना इनका मैच आपको वहां पे देखने के लिए मिलेगा. So Adam Smith, who generally gave wealth definition, economic is a study of wealth, focusing on how produce and consume, criticized for the two being materialistic as it emphasizes wealth over human welfares. Marshall, who come up with the welfare definition. So please do remember these things. Smith आपका wealth related, wealth of nation. So here we have आपका welfare related. Economy, economics is a study of men in the ordinary business of life. Wealth is means to human welfare and well-beings, both wealth and human life. Then we have Robbins' definition, which is around the scarcity, how we can have maximum utilization of scarce resources or the optimum utilization. Economy is a science of human behaviors, focusing on the relationship between unlimited want and scarce resources. Okay? So we have scarce resources, and if it comes to the want, so we have unlimited want. We want to have everything. ठीक है, सब कुछ हमें चाहिए आपका. ठीक है, so how we generally make these particular decisions आपका. ठीक है, and that decision making itself that generally comes under the economics. ठीक है, we have two type of economies. One आपका two type of the economics entire things can be studies in two part. One is microeconomics. Microeconomics which generally deal with the individual or the decision making or the areas related to individual, like demand and supply, the factor affecting demand and supply, or it is about an individual person, how he is making decision out of the scarce resources, how a company making decision to optimize their resources. So these type of topics that generally comes under the micro economy. ठीक है, तो मतलब जो छोटे लेवल पे आपका इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे एक जैसे एक हम फैमिली हमारी है, सो हाउ वी आर मेकिंग दोज डिसीजन कि अपने पास जो भी रिसोर्सेज उनका बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन कैसे हो रहा है. अदर साइड आपका macro economics, it is something which has a broader aspect, where we are generally considering economy as a whole, like topic like national income, inflation, recession, monetary policy, budget. So these are the topics which are generally part of your macroeconomics. Okay? So microeconomics focus on how household and firm make decision to allocate limited resources. It studies like आपका demand and supply, prices, which turn influence whether further economic choices. Microeconomics analyze behavior of individual consumers and businesses to understand decision making. ठीक है, macroeconomics आपका deal with the overall performance and structure of an economy, like GDP, unemployment, inflation, recession, interest rate. These are generally part of this particular one. ठीक है, तो ये आपका जो मेजर कैटेगराइजेशन आपका है. So fundamental question, this is very very important one, guys. I have seen this particular one in so many times. So what are the key fundamentals questions of an economy. So we have three questions. आपका first, what to produce, another one is how to produce, and next one is आपका whom to produce. In case of आपका command economy, these decisions are generally made by the governments. In case of capitalistic economy, these decisions are decided by the on the factors, on the basis of market factors, demand and supply आपका, ठीक है. In mixed economy, we have joint decision making, right? So every society, regardless of its economic system, must address three fundamental economic problems: what to produce, yeah, societies must decide which goods and services to produce and in what quantities. Choices must be made between producing consumers good and investment goods आपका to ensure further production. How to produce? Decision must be made about production methods, including the use of the resources and technology. Whom to? This concern income distribution and who benefit from economic activity. Societies must determine if wealth distribution equitably, who earn high income, and whether provisions are made for the poorers or not. Okay? So whenever you'll come to the type of economies, so that the decisioning about that particular one, ठीक है, जैसे if it is a command economy, all these things are generally decided by the government, ठीक है, जैसे चाइना है या आपका नॉर्थ कोरिया है या द प्रीवियस यूएसएसआर था आपका, ठीक है. In case of capitalistic, market decide these particular things or not, ठीक है. So that is something around that, ठीक है. So market economy, which is also known as capitalistic economy, where basically things are decided on the basis of demand and supply, ठीक है. So economic decisions are made by individual and private firms through a market. Prices, profit, and incentive determine production and consumption. Minimal government interventions आपका laissez-faire allow the business to operate freely. ठीक है. This laissez-faire or free reign, ठीक है, sometime when market economy reach to extreme, ठीक है, जहाँ पे सब कुछ आपका वही government का intervention is minimum, so that situation is generally known as laissez-faire or it is also known as आपका free reign style. ठीक है. Command economy, the government control production and distribution. It own most of resources and industries, employ workers, and direct economic activities. Like Soviet Union operated under this particular one. Mixed economy, most modern economies blend elements of both market and command. Government regulate market, provide public goods and services, and control pollutions while allowing market machine mechanism to function. India or the most of the nation which generally comes under this particular one. So traditional आपका एक one another classification that is generally known as traditional classification, where like it is something related to ancient economies, ठीक है, जहाँ पे like we have very less interaction with each others, ठीक है, जब आपका close economies हुआ करते थे या एक particular region wise आपका there was an interaction, ठीक है. So market economy, economic decisions are made by individual and businesses. Specialization of labor is a common. Prices are determined by demand and supply. Private property rights are protected. Competition increase innovation and efficiency. Limited government interventions. Command economy, economic decisions are made by governments. Little to no private property rights. Little to no competition. Limited consumer choices. And limited innovation and economic growth. Mixed economy, economic decisions are made by both government and individuals. Private property rights are protected. Government regulate certain industries and provide public goods and services. Market forces determine price and allocation of resources. Some level of government intervention to address market failures and promote social welfare. So this is around आपका ये, ठीक है. तो एक और notes आपका I found this particular one on internet, so which can also help you to build around these things. तो पहला topic आपका module B का सबसे आसान है. Still you can have 2 marks question, 1 marker each आपका. It can be around the आपका microeconomics and macroeconomics, or the other part is आपका different type of economies and their features. ठीक है. तो it can be one question कि which of the following statement is most accurate related to command economy और आपका mixed economy और the capitalistic economy. ठीक है. Which of the following statement about economics are correct? This is a very simple question. I hope everybody will be able to answer this one. ठीक है. So the term economy is derived from Greek word that is oikonomia. So oikonomia means, it is basically, oikio is something called household, and nomia is something known as management. Okay, so it is all about household management. Okay, so which originally meant for household management. So statement one is 100% true. Adam Smith, who is generally known as father of economics or modern economics, and he wrote a book वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन. ठीक है, सो एडम स्मिथ के द्वारा एक किताब लिखी गई थी जिसका नाम था वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन. तो वेल्थ ऑफ नेशन जहां से मॉडर्न इकोनॉमिक्स का आपका जन्म होता है. ठीक है, एंड सो डेफिनेशन इज नोन एज, नो दिस इज वेलफेयर इज गिवन बाय आपका इकोनॉमिक्स एज अ वेलफेयर इज गिवन बाय मार्शल. ठीक है, नॉट आपका एडम स्मिथ. एडम स्मिथ डेफिनेशन वाज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू वेल्थ. इकोनॉमिक्स इज अबाउट वेल्थ, एंड वेलफेयर डेफिनेशन एज फोकस ऑन ह्यूमन बींग्स, इट इज आपका given by the Alfred Marshall. ठीक है, Alfred Marshall emphasizes the that economics is not just about wealth, it is also about human welfare. ठीक है, so this is 100% true. ठीक है, so 1 and 3, that means option B will be right answer for this one. I'll show you a brief summary of all the three. um, there is another definition called scarcity. ठीक है, so we'll come to that particular one also. ठीक है, so statement 2 was incorrect. Adam Smith definition is known as wealth definition, not welfare, and welfare is generally given by the Alfred Marshall, right? So economics deal with the production, consumption, and distribution of goods and services, focusing on efficient allocation of resources to meet societal needs. As globalization increase, the study of economics become even more crucial. The term economy, which originate from Greek word that is known as oikonomia. Okay, so which means home, okio means which the eventual meaning is the household management, and where we can say it is a combination of home and management or household management. Okay, economics is defined as the science of human behaviors in relation to a scarce resources and their alternative uses. So like it applies on you also or me also. ठीक है, so कैसे हम लोग, हमारे पास जो limited resources हैं, how we are using those particular resources in best way, so जिससे हम मतलब we can have maximum satisfaction from the limited resources. So that is the one. ठीक है, scarcity arise when our resources are insufficient to fulfill all human wants, leading to the need for decision making and trade-off. Like sometimes we do na, let's say you want to purchase a mobile phone and you have a budget of 50,000. Okay, you have a limited budget. Okay, like our income is limited, so we have to manage within that limited income, right? So uske according you'll have alternates, you'll go for the best alternate which will give you the maximum satisfaction. All right, so the core of economics lies recognizing scarcity and finding way to optimize resource utilization, making it essential for societal organization and progress itself, right? So this is a basic introduction of your economics. Now what I have initiated with this module, ki I'll come up with this kind of summary and all, and this will be aligned with your book also. ठीक है, सो जो आपको एग्जामिनेशन का जो मतलब आई वांट कि लाइक दिस इज माय मतलब पूरा एकदम एफर्ट डालूंगा कि आपका पेपर 1 के अंदर यू स्कोर 65 प्लस. एक बार वो हो गया ना, इन पेपर 2 you'll have that confidence, और वो 7 दिनों में ना you'll be like you'll be on fire. ठीक है, सो आपको बस अपना जोश वैसे ही बना करके रखना है. Which of the following statement regarding Robbins, हाँ Robbins is something related to scarcity. ठीक है, so Robbins definition economics are correct. So economic studies human behavior. Sorry. Robbins was again he generally gave this particular one. So economics studies human behaviors as a relationship between unlimited wants and limited resources that have alternative uses. A resource is, first one is true. A resource is considered scarce only when its supply is low regardless of demand. ठीक है, no, it should be reversed. ठीक है, when demand is higher than the supply, then it is generally known as scarce. ठीक है, not this one कि supply is low, this one. So we generally follow that reverse theory in this particular case. Okay. Economics is also known as the science of choices. A science of choice, because individual must divide how to allocate their limited resources among the various needs. So again, 1 and 3, that means option B will be right answer for this one. Okay? So a resource is only considered scarce when its demand exceeds supply. Okay? So when its demand exceeds supply, if supply is low but there is no demand, it not considered as economic. It is not considered scarce in economics terms. ठीक है, so please do remember this particular one. ठीक है, होने को आपको लगेगा कि like this is the same things which we are saying, but there is a probability like we have high demands, low supply, that is scarcity, but there is low supply, maybe there is low demand for that particular one, so that is not called scarce in the term of, or like while you study the economics. Okay, now we'll come to this one. Okay, so Alfred, first one is Adam Smith, father of modern economics, wealth of nation. Okay, and that is, he is generally known as, for his definition or his aspect toward the economics is generally known as wealth. Then we have Marshall. Okay, so Marshall's studies around the welfare. And the third one we have Robbins. His definition was around the scarcity, right? So this is the summary of all these three major theorists or economists, basically, okay, and which are given in your book itself. Okay. Only three economist definition and all that is given in their book, in your book. So Adam Smith definition, wealth definition. Okay. Economic is study of wealth, focusing on how to produce and consume, criticized for being too materialistic, as it emphasizes wealth over the human welfare. Okay. Then Marshall sir came, he come up with the welfare things, which was the criticism for the Adam Smith definition. Economics is a study of men in ordinary business of life. Wealth is mean to human welfare and well-beings. So it emphasizes both on wealth as well as human life. Okay. Then third one is Robbins definition. So economic is a science of human behaviors, focusing on the relationship between unlimited wants and scarce resources with alternative uses, shift focus from wealth and welfare to decision making and resource allocation. So which is generally the idea of the modern management. So this is the kind of things, these are the three different thoughts. And बहुत बार आपको इनकी पेयरिंग में आपका पूछा गया है, ठीक है, कि लाइक एडम स्मिथ वेल्थ डेफिनेशन और दिस और आपको मैच करने के लिए दे सकते हैं या अदर्स, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following statement about microeconomics and macroeconomics are correct? Okay, so microeconomics, which generally deal with individual, how individual and firm they generally take their decisions. Okay. So now it is economics is about uses or utilization of or max utilization of scarce resources. So how individual make decision, that comes under this. That means it will include topic like demand and supply and choices and all these. Okay. Macroeconomics, it has a broader scope, which include topic like national income, GDP, or inflation or recession. So these are the, like, they have a broader, like basically it is kind of a things which has a broader impact, right? So वो सब आपको macroeconomics में. So microeconomics studies the behavior of individual, consumer and firm in decision making, how individual make decision when they purchase something or when they spend something, how firm make decision. So like it is law of demand, that is law of supply. ठीक है, so वो कहीं ना कहीं उनका uses and all. ठीक है. The another one is this is true. Macroeconomics emerged in its modern from after the publication of Keynes' Journal Theory of Employment, Interest and Money in 1936. Okay, this is also true. Okay, so macroeconomics, basically we start talking about this particular one with the Keynes thought. Okay, Keynes Journal Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, 1936. Macroeconomics focus on aggregate indicators. Microeconomics focus on aggregated indicators like GDP, inflation, and unemployment. So this is wrong. Okay? This is wrong. This is the focus area of macroeconomics, not microeconomics. Okay? So this statement is wrong. Macroeconomics deal with overall performance of a national or regional economy. 100% true. Adam Smith, The Wealth of Nation, 1776, laid the foundation of microeconomics concept. This is also true. Okay? So 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Huh. Okay, option D should be right answer for this particular one. Okay? So the only statement incorrect was 3, which is very easy. Okay? Macroeconomics, not microeconomics. Okay? So macroeconomics, which focus issues like GDP or national income or inflation or recession or any broader issue and all, okay? Which has a global impact or national impact. Okay? It's a budget. These all are the issues of or even the monetary policy. They all comes under the macroeconomics terms. Okay? Microeconomics is something related to demand and supply, demand, law of supply, how individual make choices, or how individual make decision and all. Okay? So वो छोटे छोटे, या how a firm make costing decision, so pricing decision, so that generally comes under the study of microeconomics. ठीक है? तो इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखते हैं. अब इसको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जाते हैं. ठीक है? So microeconomics focus on how household and firm make decision to allocate limited resources in a market where goods and services are bought and sold. It study how these decisions affect supply, demand, and price, which in turn influence other economic choices. Microeconomics analyze the behavior of individual consumer and businesses to understand the decision making. So basically, how individual or firms they are making decision about the different activities. That is a study that study that generally comes under the microeconomics. ठीक है? तो हम कोई भी चीज जैसे लाइक वी हैव स्केर्स रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है? तो हमारे पास वो जो लिमिटेड अमाउंट है उसको हम किस तरीके से खर्च करें. ठीक है? जो हम लोग डिसीजन मेकिंग करें उसमें किन किन चीजों का ध्यान रख रहे हैं. तो दैट इज जनरली कम्स अंडर द माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, सूक्ष्म अर्थशास्त्र जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. ठीक है? मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स deal with the overall performance and structure of an economy or even the world economy. ठीक है? It study aggregated indicators like GDP, unemployment rate, inflation, interest rate. The modern form of macroeconomics emerged in 1936 when John मेनार्ड केन्स. ठीक है? सो कीन्स जिनके द्वारा आपका जनरल थ्योरी आपका लाया गया. सो जर्नल थ्योरी ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इंटरेस्ट एंड मनी, addressing economic fluctuations such as unemployment and inflation also. ठीक है? So this is the kind of summary for your micro versus macro economy. ठीक है? And believe me guys, this is more than sufficient. If you'll go just do this homework, go through that particular book, एंड आप उसको अगर खुद से समराइज करना चाहोगे, यू इफ यू वांट टू पिक द बेस्ट पॉइंट, यू विल फाइंड दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट फंडामेंटल इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है? सो व्हाट आर द फंडामेंटल इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स? मेजरली वी हैव 3 प्रॉब्लम्स. व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom टू प्रोड्यूस. ठीक है? क्या उत्पादन करना है. ठीक है? आपको कैसे करना है और किसके लिए करना है. दीज आर द 3 कोर इकोनॉमिक फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है? So every society, regardless of its economic system, must address 3 fundamental economic problems: what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. ठीक है? So like whenever you let's say if you are as an entrepreneur, if you are want to launch some product, तो पहला आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? what to produce. ठीक है? क्या प्रोड्यूस करना है, what I should manufacture or what problem I should solve. ठीक है? Then another one is how to produce, what is the technical backgrounds, technological and the overall journey of that particular product building or service building. Whom to produce, who will be my target customers. ठीक है? This like किन क्राउड का मैं अपना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाला. ठीक है? हु इज गोइंग टू यूज दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज. So these are the core fundamental problems which we generally like, which we have to analyze first. Okay? So option 1 is correct. The question of what to produce involve deciding the type and quantities of the goods and services, including balance between consumption and investment. Okay? So this what to produce, आपका deciding true. ठीक है? How to produce focus only on selecting the most advanced technology for production. See, this question is partially correct. ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पे ना, this is not the only factor. ठीक है, we do go for or we generally suggest advanced technology to cut down our cost and all. ठीक है, but this is not the only solutions. ठीक है, so this make this statement wrong. For whom to produce address income distribution and whether resources are allocated equitably among the different group in society. This is also true. Again, the three economic problem are only relevant in capitalistic economy and not in centrally planned economy. No, okay, this is not this one. Okay. So these three problems are the problem for all type of economies, not only about the capitalistic things and all. Okay. So this is also wrong. So what we have to find out correct statement 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 means option C will be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, तो आपका statement 3 was incorrect. How to produce include not only technology choices but also deciding who will perform production and what resources will be used. Fifth one is the economic problems exist in all economic system, not just in आपका capitalistic or any specific form of economies itself, right? चलो. So now we will discuss this particular one also in detail. ठीक है? So fundamental question in economic organization. ठीक है? So every society, regardless of its economic system, must address three fundamental economic problems. The very first one is what to produce. So societies must decide which good and services to produce and what quantities. Choices must be made between producing consumer goods and investment goods to ensure future production also. The second one is how to produce. Decision must be made about the production method, including the use of resources and technology. Key question include whether production is labor intensive or automated, and whether energy is sourced from oil, coal or renewable energy and all. Okay? The third problem is for whom to produce. Okay? This concern income distribution and who benefit from economic activity. Societies must determine if wealth is distributed equitably, who earn high income, whether provision are made for the poorer or not. Okay? So that generally comes under this particular one. Okay? So please go through these particular notes or this kind of explanatory notes or the detailed solution and all. Okay? Believe me guys, they are definitely going to help you out in your upcoming examination. ठीक है, तो एक बार अच्छे से देख लेना है. Next one आपका, which of the following statement correctly describe different type of economic system? This is very easy question. ठीक है, so this is very easy question. ठीक है, so a different type of economic system means the three type of major economies. आपका capitalistic or market economy, then we have socialistic or command economy, and third one is mixed economy. So earlier mid 20s, before that, okay, so especially this mixed economy structure which generally arise post second world war. ठीक है, तो उससे पहले आपका दो टाइप की इकोनॉमीज होती थी मोस्टली. आपका वन इज मार्केट, अनदर वन इज कमांड. सो कमांड इकोनॉमी वेयर थिंग्स आर डिसाइडेड बाय दी और कंट्रोल्ड बाय दी गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, जैसे आपका आप यू कैन हैव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ चाइना. ठीक है, तो जहां पे क्या प्रोड्यूस करना, व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom टू प्रोड्यूस, दीज ऑल थ्री इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स आर आंसर्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, केंद्र सरकार आपका जो आपका गवर्नमेंट है उस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री की, दे यूज टू डिसाइड. जैसे पहले आपका यूएसएसआर होता था. ठीक है, सोवियत संघ रूस जिसको हम लोग बोलते थे. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ योर कमांड इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, सो गवर्नमेंट विल डिसाइड व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, whom टू प्रोड्यूस. ठीक है, सो सब कुछ कंट्रोल आपका गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में. सेकंड इज मार्केट इकोनॉमी वेयर पीपल और इंडिविजुअल एंड बिजनेस हाउसेस दे यूज टू डिसाइड what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. ठीक है, जो तीन क्वेश्चन है इकोनॉमिक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन, दे गेट आंसर्ड बाय द मार्केट. मार्केट मींस आपका दैट इज डिमांड इन सप्लाई, ठीक है. सो जिस चीज की डिमांड होगी उसको प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, ठीक है. एंड डिमांड इन सप्लाई, like demand will be made by the consumers, ठीक है, and accordingly suppliers will sell this, ठीक है, and they'll decide the pricing and everything, ठीक है. थर्ड टाइप इज लाइक सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, जिससे मैंने आपको एक रेफरेंस दिया. देन वी कम अप विद अ न्यू टाइप ऑफ इकोनॉमी, और आज की डेट में मैक्सिमम इकोनॉमीज दे फॉल अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ मिक्स इकोनॉमी. द बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल इज आर इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. सो जिन्होंने क्या किया, वी पिक समथिंग फ्रॉम कैपिटलिस्टिक, समथिंग फ्रॉम मार्केट, तो दोनों के मेरिट्स को मिला करके वी क्रिएटेड वन न्यू इकोनॉमी दैट इज नोन एज मिक्स इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. तो जहां पे गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल भी है एंड वी हैव लिबरलाइजेशन, जो आपके प्राइवेट पार्टीज हैं उनको भी, एंड कंज्यूमर्स की भी चीजों को आपका सुना जाता है. काइंड ऑफ अ परफेक्ट ब्लेंड बिटवीन कैपिटल एंड आपका मार्केट इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. सो इन मार्केट इकोनॉमी इंडिविजुअल एंड प्राइवेट फर्म्स मेक द मेजर इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन with a minimal government interface, like US है, आपका इंग्लैंड है. So these all are market economies, ठीक है. Second one, command economy is characterized by a government ownership of resources and centralized decision making. This is also true, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपका you can take an example of North Korea, China, या आपका the earlier USSR, right? A mixed economy incorporate elements of both market and command economies, balancing private enterprises with government interventions. True, तो तीनों सही है, ठीक है. The term laissez-faire refer to command economy. No, this is refer to market economy, ठीक है. ये किससे संबंध में है आपका, where we have extreme market economy, ठीक है. जहां पे extreme market economy हो जाएगा, ठीक है, सब कुछ आपका मार्केट, गवर्नमेंट का इंटरवेंशन इज लीस्ट आपका, ठीक है. सो दैट इज द टर्म laissez-faire. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्री रेन, ठीक है. सो ये जो आपका टर्म है, it is something related to market economy where the government control all the economies. No, this is the wrong one, ठीक है. तो fourth one is wrong. India operate as a mixed economy where the public, private and joint sector coexist and complement each other's. 100% true. So true statement 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. So A only will be right answer for this particular question. Understood, guys? तो क्या होगा आपका करेक्ट आंसर? फोर्थ वन वाज इनकरेक्ट. laissez-faire और फ्री रेन रेफर टू अ मार्केट इकोनॉमी विद नो गवर्नमेंट इंटरफेरेंस, ठीक है. तो जहां पे गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस इज लीस्ट, नॉट इन कमांड इकोनॉमी. तो कमांड इकोनॉमी इज बेसिकली और मेजरली ड्रिवन बाय द गवर्नमेंट इटसेल्फ, ठीक है. तो मिक्स इकोनॉमी आपका जो आता है दैट कम्स अंडर दिस लीग, ठीक है. तो इसने क्या किया, यहाँ के कुछ फीचर उठाए और यहाँ के कुछ फीचर्स आपके उठाए, ठीक है. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द market economy, so owned by private sectors maximum, ठीक है. Freedom to start business or to exit, start and exit, ठीक है. Supply and demand, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे this is the core fundamental is आपका market factors, that means demand and supply, ठीक है. They will decide the prices, ठीक है. In case of command economy owned by government, government regulation and price control आपका किसके द्वारा, गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा. So what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. In case of command economy, driven by government. In case of market economy, these are generally driven by or solved by your आपका demand and supply factors, ठीक है. But in case of mixed economy, we have combination from the both, ठीक है. दोनों तरफ से आपको यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं क्या मिलेंगे आपका, इन दोनों के बीच में, मतलब गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल भी होगा, इंटरवेंशन भी होगा जैसे इंडिया में होता है, और आपका जो कंपनीज है उनका भी होगा, ठीक है. चलो एक बार और फिर से पढ़िए इसको. Market economy, which is known as capitalistic economy, ठीक है. Market economy, which is also known as capitalistic economy, ठीक है, पूंजीवादी अर्थव्यवस्था. So economic decisions are made by individual and private firm through a market. Economic decision means those questions, fundamental question of economies are solved by this, ठीक है. Market factors means demand and supply. Price, profit and incentives determine production and consumption. मिनिमल गवर्नमेंट इंटरवेंशन, आपका laissez-faire भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. अलाउ बिजनेसेस टू ऑपरेट फ्रीली. द अनदर वन इज कमांड इकोनॉमी, सोशलिस्टिक, समाजवादी अर्थव्यवस्था, ठीक है. द गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल प्रोडक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. इट ओन मोस्ट रिसोर्सेज इन इंडस्ट्रीज, एम्प्लॉय वर्कर्स एंड डायरेक्ट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. हिस्टोरिकली सोवियत यूनियन ऑपरेट अंडर दी दिस पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम, बट जब यूएसएसआर खत्म हुआ 1979 के अंदर, ये भी आपका खत्म हो गया, ठीक है। आज के डेट में कोई भी इकोनॉमी आपको कोर तरीके से, उनके कोर फंडामेंटल्स आपको यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेंगे, बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन एरा ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे और इवन द मार्केट थिंग्स एंड ऑल, तो ये आपका यूएस इंग्लैंड सब इसमें मिलेंगे। आपका यहाँ पे पहले होता था यूएसएसआर, ठीक है, अभी एग्जैक्ट कोर एग्जाम्पल नहीं मिलेगा इसका, ठीक है। हाँ, बट कुछ कंट्रीज हैं जैसे चाइना है, आपका नॉर्थ कोरिया है, अभी भी वहां पे आपका मैक्सिमम जो कंट्रोल है गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा। मिक्स इकोनॉमी, most modern economic blend elements of both market and command. Government regulate market, provide public goods and services, and control pollutions while allowing market mechanism to function. India is and most nations today operate in the mixed economy itself. Understood, guys? अगर अभी भी समझ में नहीं आया, ठीक है, so you have this one, ठीक है, so market, कमांड एंड मिक्स इकोनॉमी, ठीक है। सो ट्रेडिशनल वन, जैसे आपका ट्रेडिशनल, मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ये चीज बोला था, ठीक है। सो व्हाट यूज्ड टू, अगर हम ट्रेडिशनल की बात करें तो वहां पे क्या होता था, लाइक एक लिमिटेड एरिया तक हम लोग थे, ठीक है। सो जैसे इंडिया के अंदर ही आपका बहुत सारे अलग अलग एरियाज में, तो व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस फॉर द कंजम्पशन, नॉट फॉर द सेल, ठीक है। हम कोई भी चीज प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे तो हम क्या करते थे, कंजम्पशन के लिए उसको, ठीक है। और लाइक वी यूज टू हैव बाटा सिस्टम, लेट्स से आई एम अ फार्मर, तो मैंने आपका फार्मिंग में कुछ खेती आपका करा, और आप यू आर अ बैंकर और एनी अदर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, टीचर एंड ऑल, तो आपने मुझे पढ़ाया, सो वी एक्सचेंज गुड्स टू गुड्स, बाटा सिस्टम, देन बाटर सिस्टम आया, ये सारी चीजें आपका, दैट वाज पार्ट ऑफ दिस, ठीक है। इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन आर बेस्ड ऑन custom, tradition and belief, little to no specialization of labor, barter system is common, ठीक है। So goods to goods exchange, resources are allocated based on the need of community, limited economic growth and innovation. Market and these three economies which we have already discussed, ठीक है। तो इसमें आपका ऐसे कुछ आपका वो पॉइंटर्स नहीं है, ठीक है। इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन आर मेड बाय इंडिविजुअल एंड बिजनेसेस, स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ लेबर, प्राइस डिटरमाइंड बाय डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, प्राइवेट पार्टी private property right are protected, ठीक है, and limited government interventions. In case of command, economic decisions are made by government, little and no private property rights, ठीक है। Then we have little to no consumption, ठीक है। Then we have little limited consumer choices. We have limited innovation and economic growth. Then came mixed economy. Economic decisions are made by both government and individual businesses. Private property rights are protected. Government regulates certain industries. Market resources determine prices and allocation of resources. Some level of government intervention to address market failures and promote social welfares. All right. So I hope now this is clear. Now we'll solve back to back 2-3 questions. Then we will conclude. ठीक है, summary पे आएंगे. The characteristics which both private and operating in a free market and government providing certain goods and services is known as mixed economy, ठीक है। तो एक इसका फीचर था आपका mixed economy का, ठीक है। A mixed economy is characterized by the context of public and private क्या है, हाँ, public sector and private sector. The economic system has been prevalent in many countries since आपका 20th सेंचुरी, आपका मिड 20th सेंचुरी, ठीक है। सो ये पहला ऑप्शन सही है आपका, ठीक है। सो पब्लिक सेक्टर प्राइवेट सेक्टर का ब्लेंड आपको मिलेगा, मतलब पब्लिक मींस कमांड और आपका प्राइवेट मींस आपका मार्केट इकोनॉमी। देन आप मिड 20th वाज द टाइम जब ये आपका काफी ज्यादा निकल के आया था, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन, सो दिस इज द फाइनल एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट योर मार्केट इकोनॉमी एज वेल एज your आपका command economy and your mixed economy, ठीक है, and traditional economy. So oldest economic system was traditional, ठीक है। Occupation usually stay in the family, ठीक है। Farmers, fishermen, then we have blacksmiths. So families consume the food that they produce, ठीक है, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपका communities and tribal तक आपका जाता था, ठीक है। Innovation and economic progress is typically low. Command economy, then we have centralized structure, ठीक है, government ruling class control the economy, ठीक है। So आपका जैसे they own resources and business, the government decide what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. Market economy, आपका decentralized structure, market forces determine price level or solve those particular question, contain element of all these particular one, ठीक है, जैसा आपका इंडिया है, ठीक है. So underground आपका sometime it is also part. Buyer and seller engage in transaction without having the approval of the governments and all, ठीक है. So that is the one. सो नाउ अ क्विक समरी, ठीक है. सो फिर आपका क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे बुक के. इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ साइंस दैट डील विद प्रोडक्शन, एलोकेशन, यूजेस ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. Economics is a science which study human behaviors as a relationship between end and scare means which have an alternative uses. Microeconomics is concerned with the behavior of individual entities such as market, firm, and household. Macroeconomics is about economy as a whole. Okay? So macro. Every society must answer three fundamental question: what to produce, how to produce, and whom to produce. Okay? What kind of and quantities are produced among the wide range of all possible goods and services? How the resources used producing goods, and whom the goods produced. Okay? Market economy is the one of the individual and private firms make the major decision. Command economy, government address the major economic questions. No complementary society or nation fall completely into either these popular extreme and popular and extreme categories. Rather all societies has the mixed economy. ठीक है. So आज के डेट में जो चलता है, ठीक है. Now few questions, actually there were 10 questions, ठीक है. तो जल्दी से इनको भी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. बट यू विल नॉट गेट दैट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. यही क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टेटमेंट में मिलेंगे, ठीक है, जो हमने आपका प्रैक्टिस किया एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन. सो एडम स्मिथ इज डिफाइन इकोनॉमिक्स एज वेल्थ ऑफ साइंस, ठीक है, स्टडी ऑफ वेल्थ, ठीक है. सो स्टडी ऑफ वेल्थ. मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स डील विथ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, ठीक है. सो डील विथ आपका ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस इंडाइसेस एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, दैट मीन्स ऑल ऑफ द अबव, ठीक है. Who is considered as founder of the field of modern economics? So it is Adam Smith, 1776, in his book Wealth of Nations. Macroeconomics is concerned with the behavior of microeconomics. Sorry, microeconomics is with individual and firm. So individual entities आपका and refer to wants, ठीक है. So end का मतलब होता है wants, ठीक है. ये हम पढ़ेंगे भी डिमांड सप्लाई अगले यूनिट में. A market economy is one in which individual and private firm make the major decision about the production and resources. True. In government make, no, this is command economy. So A will be right answer. India is a mixed economy. Laissez-faire economy is related to market where we have least participation from the government. It is an extreme market economy. The extreme case of market, not this, sorry. So extreme case of market economy, yes, option A will be right answer. Market economy is also known as command economy. Sorry, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? So market economy is also known as आपका capitalistic economy, ठीक है. So मिक्स इकोनॉमी नहीं, कमांड आपका सोशलिस्टिक एंड दिस इज आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक, ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी? तो इसमें आपका इंग्लैंड आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक इकोनॉमी में आएगा, ठीक है. इंडिया मिक्स इकोनॉमी, चाइना मिक्स टू कमांड इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. इनका जो दे हैव मोर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड द कमांड इकोनॉमी, ठीक है. तो कमांड आप इनको डाल सकते हो, कमांड टू मिक्स, इट इज आपका मिक्स, इट इज आपका कैपिटलिस्टिक टू मिक्स आपका, ठीक है. इस तरीके से अगर आप इनके प्रोबेबिलिटीज को डालते हैं, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज इट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर वेरी फर्स्ट यूनिट ऑफ योर मॉड्यूल बी, विच इज द बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन टू इकोनॉमिक्स. आई होप यू फाउंड दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन इंटरेस्टिंग. सो कैसे लगा जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा. एंड if you have some questions, queries, so you can take screenshot and you can share with me. You can join this particular Telegram group for the communication from my side. And I have uploaded PDFs and I'll be keep uploading PDFs on our application at free notes section. Okay? And if you are part of Manjil batch, so you'll already get these particular one. I have already uploaded these particular one. All right, guys. So this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. Now I'll see you tomorrow at same time with our unit number 13. Very important and interesting one. law of demand and law of supply, then we'll talk about the equilibrium also, right? And there was lots of question based on those particular topic. The entire module is very very important. I'll not make any kind of block in your mind कि ये आपका important ये नहीं है, सब important है इस मॉड्यूल बी के सारे यूनिट्स आपका, एज वी डिड फॉर मॉड्यूल सी डी ऑल्सो आपका, ठीक है? तो कल मिलते हैं आपका और कल अपनी डिस्कशन को कंटिन्यू रहेंगे. एंड प्लीज डू लाइक एंड शेयर दिस सेशन with your friends if you found this particular session useful. All right, so this is it. Bye bye, take care all, have a nice day. Thank you.